So like what does quality mean for an LLM? It probably means that you have a lot of data that is structured in a way that's easy to digest and is easily tied to whatever query the LLM in that moment is like interested in. That is probably very different from what quality means to a human being. And a great example is like we have pages that we've redesigned and they're just gigantic tables of information. Like no human being would be able to digest that information, but the LLMs love it. Like low quality from a human perspective, very high quality from an LLM perspective. So I think that's one shift in thinking. But to answer your question, there's also like the element of quality where like LLMs can hallucinate. And at Ramp cares very, very deeply about creating value for customers and doing right by them. That's like one of our cornerstone values. And so the answer is not that interesting to how we like make sure that the quality is high and that we're doing right by our customers. It's basically building QA steps into your process. It's making sure that you have a human in the loop when something is high risk, especially when there is a human that's consuming it. It's making sure that you have the ability to course correct if you do get negative feedback on something or you realize an LLM made a mistake.